Welcome back to the NIF tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll try to learn about how to suppress signals using the separation rule. Let's click on the signals page. So on the signal page, we get all the signals that have been listed in last 24 hours. Now, separation rule allows you to suppress the signals that are triggered by some known sources and activities in your organization. You can use separation rules to automatically suppress these known signals, thus reducing some alert fatigue for your SOC team. In order to apply the separation rule, just click on these three dots, and here the first option is create a separation rule. So for example, if I want to create a separation rule for the detection, command line execution with suspicious URL and app data string for suspect as malministrator and target as the one that has been mentioned over here, I'll simply click on these three dots and I'll click on this create separation rule. It will ask to confirm the separation rule. So this is the workbook, and this is nothing but the pair of suspect and target for which I want to suppress the upcoming signals. Once I click on save, all the signals which will be generated for the command line execution with suspicious URL and app data string for the given suspect and target will be suppressed. Now, if I want to take a look at how many such separation rules have been already created, or if I want to edit this rule, then simply click over here on the system icon and click on signal separation rules. Here you will find out the entire list of all the separation rules that have been created so far. So this is the rule that is just now created by us for the command line execution with suspicious URL and app data string. For the same detection, there are multiple separation rules that have been already created in past. This is the one that we have just created before some time. Now, if you wish, you can disable this rule. If you want to edit this rule, that is also possible by clicking on this edit option. And here you can change the suspect, you can change the target, or even you may remove the suspect and target based on the situation that you are handling. Also, if not needed, you will be able to delete the rule as well. So I just hope this tutorial helped you in order to understand what's a separation rule and how to apply the separation rule in NIF. And if you are creating any kind of separation rules and in future if you want to remove those rules, then how to perform removal of separation rule activity as well. I hope this tutorial helped you to understand all these concepts, and now you can leverage all these things in order to make your analysis more correct. Thank you for patiently watching to this tutorial. Let's meet again in the next tutorial with some more exciting NIF concepts. Thank you.